Greetings AI Forum audience. Welcome to the third episode of AI Conversations, the flagship series of the AI Forum, dedicated to discussing crucial AI-related matters that bridge the gap between industry, academia, and policymakers. My name is Ceviche Arthur, and I'll be moderating today's session. For this episode, we're honored to have Dr. Chen Sovann with us. Dr. Sovann is the Director of the Science, Technology and Innovation Data Management Department at the Ministry of Industry, Science, Technology and Innovation, MISTI, here in Cambodia. With his extensive experience in the intersection of technology and policy, Dr. Sovann plays a leading role in advancing AI development and digital transformation across various sectors in Cambodia. Today, he'll share with us his unique insights into the role of AI in shaping the nation's future, particularly from a diplomacy and development perspective. Let's dive into our conversation on AI and its impact on Cambodia.
Thanks for having me on the podcast. I'm really excited to share about how AI is growing in Cambodia.
To kick off our discussion, let's set the scene with a look at Cambodia's current landscape. As industries here begin to embrace AI, what are some of the noticeable trends and sectors leading this transition? How are Cambodian industries currently adopting AI and digital transformation technologies? And which sectors are leading the way, and what progress have we seen so far?
As we can see together right now, we are still in the early stage compared to the other country. Also some AMS as a member state. However, we are starting to see the impact of AI, where AI make a difference in areas like finance, agriculture, and manufacturing. For instance, in the case of finance, banks are using AI for things like credit scoring and understanding risk. So how they do that? So generally, banks, they would collect the data that they have in their hand, like transaction history and spending pattern of customer. So they use those data to make a smarter decision that can work for both banks and customers. We also can see another thing related to AI in the bank. AI is making a mark in customer service. As we know, a chatbot. So chatbots are handling routine questions, which help banks cut costs and also let customers get support at any time that they would like to know related to the bank's information or the bank service. And if we look at agriculture sector, which is an important part of Cambodia's economy, we all know. In the agriculture, it's also using AI in new ways. Precision farming. As we know, nowadays they use drones, sensors, and other smart tools to track the crop health and soil conditions. And then they can use AI to analyze these type of data to help farmers know the best time to water, fertilize, or harvest. This boosts crop yields and help farmers use resources more efficiently as a key for sustainability. In manufacturing, AI is also helping with predictive maintenance and automating process. By looking at real-time data from machines, AI can alert manufacturers to fix equipment before any big issue come up. It also helps make production smoother and improve quality control, which means less waste and higher productivity. So in my view, in total, we can see that Cambodia is definitely making progress in AI. But to really tap into AI full potential, we need more investment in digital infrastructure and skills, expanding internet access, setting up data centers, and building programs to teach AI skill will help create a strong foundations, supporting growth across industries and moving Cambodia forward in the digital world. Hope this can answer to your questions. Thanks.
Thank you, Dr. Sovann, for that comprehensive overview. While we're seeing promising adoption in several sectors, there are likely hurdles along the way. In light of the progress you mentioned, what are the major challenges that Cambodian industries face when integrating AI and digital tools, and what are the opportunities? What opportunities does this transformation present for businesses in the country?
Thanks for the questions. Integrating AI in Cambodia definitely comes with some challenge, but it also opens up exciting opportunity. So we can see that one of the biggest challenges is the digital divide. We all know together limited internet access and the lack of advanced technology make it difficult to implement AI solution effectively. However, this situation presents a significant opportunity for investment in broadband infrastructure and local data center, so on and so forth. By improving connectivity, we can make AI more accessible to everyone across the country. Another major issue is the skill gap. Many workers lack the technical knowledge needed to utilize AI effectively, which can lead to hesitations in adoption this technology. This highlights the urgent need for educational institutions and training programs to focus on AI, data science, and digital skills. By promoting continuous learning, we can develop a workforce that is well prepared for the demand of a digital economy. Additionally, we also face regulatory challenges, particularly regarding data privacy and security. Business must comply with these regulations. Consumer trust, making collaboration between the government and the private sector essential for establishing clear data governance framework. We can say that there are real challenges to address. They also provide substantial opportunity. By tackling this issue head-on, Cambodia can position itself as a leader in AI adoptions and innovations.
That is very insightful, Dr. Sovann. Let's move now to the practical impact of AI on productivity. As we've seen worldwide, AI is often touted as a key driver of productivity gains. Could you explain how can AI and digital technologies improve productivity and efficiency across key industries in Cambodia, such as manufacturing, agriculture, or finance?
AI is really changing the game for productivity in Cambodian industry. For instance, manufacturing. With AI-driven predictive analytics, company can focus when equipment might need maintenance before it actually fails. This means less downtime and a smoother supply chain, so business can adapt quickly to shift in demand. If we take an example in agriculture, AI is also making a big difference too. Using machine learning, we also can analyze data from things like satellite image to help farmers manage their crop better, control pests, and allocate resources more effectively. This not only boosts yields but also cut down on waste. Farmers can make smarter decisions about when to plant and harvest. So when it comes to finance, AI steps in by automating a lot of data-heavy tasks. This reduces the chance of error and make process much more efficient. Plus, bank can leverage AI for customer insights, allowing them to tailor service to meet their client needs better, which really enhance customer satisfactions. So AI is empowering Cambodian industry to be more competitive on a global scale by improving efficiency, lowering costs, and enhancing product quality. It driving innovations and helping the economic growth.
That's an inspiring vision for the future of productivity in Cambodia. However, we can't overlook the role of a skilled workforce to bring this vision to life. Dr. Sovann, how do you see the need for skilled professionals evolving as AI and digital transformation reshape industries? How should Cambodia address the growing need for skilled professionals? And what steps can be taken to prepare the workforce for this shift?
Same for the great questions. So to take out the skill gap, we really need to step up our educational game. School should focus more on STEM subjects, especially AI, some subject related to AI and data science like mathematics. We need to make learning hands-on, not just like learning the theory, but we also need to do the hands-on and project-based, so students can actually apply what they learn in the real-world situations. It's also super important for university to team up with company, not stand alone as a silo university. So they need to work with the company so they can have a good partnership that can help create training programs that match what industry are looking for, like certifications in AI or analytics. Company themselves also should invest in training their employees too. So this way, the worker can keep up with new digital tools and technology, so they can fostering their knowledge for lifelong learning. And let's not forget about the government. They need to support vocational programs, providing STEM scholarships and raise awareness about the importance of digital skill. So when we work together, school, business, and government are all together, we can ensure that Cambodia has a skilled workforce ready to take on the challenge of a digital future.
Absolutely. Fostering skills and education is critical. And of course, government support plays an equally pivotal role in driving this change. So, as we conclude, Dr. Sovann, could you elaborate on what role does the Cambodian government play in supporting AI adoption and digital transformation in industries? And how can policy frameworks encourage innovation and growth in this area?
That is a really important topic to talk about. The Cambodian government plays a crucial role in driving AI adoptions. As we know, they have produced a lot of policy to support the digital framework, the society policy. So like we know that one policy is called Cambodia Digital Economy and Society Policy Framework 2021-2035, which focus on key areas like improving digital literacy, expanding internet access, and fostering innovations. Government also have produced the Cambodia Science, Technology and Innovation 2030 that consisting of 5 pillars and National Research Agenda 2025 that consists of 8 agenda. So those mainly one major step is investing in digital infrastructure, especially in the area that are underserved, by improving access to high-speed internet. We are setting the stage for AI to really take off. Plus, having clear regulation around data privacy and intellectual property rights is essential for building trust and attractive investment. To spark innovations, the government could consider offering tax break or grants, especially for AI research. This would encourage business to experiment and innovate. Creating tech parks or innovation hubs is another great idea. It would boost collaboration across different sectors and help advance AI and digital technologies. Additionally, the government has endorsed the establishment of a national AI working group. So this group will be instrumental in coordinating efforts, sharing knowledge, and driving initiatives that enhance AI integration across various industries. That's also important to engage everyone in the conversations. Academics, industry leaders, and civil society. This way, we can ensure that policies meet the diverse needs of our society. So proactive government efforts are key to helping Cambodia thrive in the global digital economy.
AIC number 3 outro. Thank you, Dr. Sovann, for sharing your insights. It's truly an exciting time for AI in Cambodia. And as you've highlighted, collaboration will be essential in realizing Cambodia's digital potential amongst the various sectors, whether government, private, or academia. So to conclude today's episode, do you have any final words for our audiences?
Thank you for having me. It's an exciting time for AI in Cambodia, and collaboration will be the key to realize our digital potentials. Thanks.
Thank you once again, Dr. Sovann, for your valuable insights and for taking the time to come and speak with us. It's clear that AI will have a major impact in our nation's growth moving forward. I also would like to extend my gratitude to all our audience members for being here today and for your continued support. Your engagement is what makes these conversations meaningful and impactful. We look forward to seeing you at our next AI conversation. Thank you and have a great day.